lesson. She gave everything, she was such a blessing. But from day to day, she would change her ways. Give me her love, and then she'd take it away.
Welcome to my channel. So today I did another video using the Morphe 35G palette. You guys really liked that video, so I decided to go ahead and do another one. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, don't forget to keep watching, and don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start. So I already went ahead and did my foundation, all that, because I did the same thing I did on my last video. So I'm going to use the same color I used in my last video, the camel color, with a Morphe brush. And I'm going to use this as my transition color. And I'm just applying this on my crease. And I do go a little bit high. You guys don't have to go as high as I do. You can definitely do it a little lower. But since I'm doing like a sandwich look, I wanted to go a little bit higher. So I'm going to be using those two colors right there, the lighter brown and a darker brown. And I'm just going to apply those right on the outer corner and inner corner of my eyes. You guys have seen me do looks, sandwich looks, a lot. So definitely just apply the color in the inner corner and outer corner. And make sure you just leave the center of the lid empty. So I am going with a darker shade just to darken up the outer corner and the inner corner of the eyes with the same brush, and just going to blend everything out after. So it doesn't have to be perfect because this is kind of like a grungy look. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go with this shade right here, and I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray, and I'm going to apply that color right in the center of the eye. I definitely like these bronzy shadows. It makes me want to be bronzy. We're almost coming to summer, you guys. I'm excited for summer. I'm over this rain, so I'm ready for summer, and I just want to be bronzy. So then I'm just going with a lighter shimmery shade and applying this on my crease. Then I'm going back with that same camel color that I applied in the beginning and reapplying it just to blend everything out. Like, I felt like all the colors were kind of disappearing on me, so I just went back and reapplied the colors. It's okay. You can always go back and reapply the colors. And then just blend everything out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and apply eyeliner. Lately, I've been playing around with eyeliner, trying to practice it. And I'm using the Artistry Cosmetics eyeliner. I'll link them down below. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply these two colors and apply this on the bottom lash line, just to smoke it out. I do go ahead and apply a eyeliner on my waterline, so just wanted to really smoke my bottom lash line. So I'm just mixing those colors together just to give me that smoked out. Then I'm just gonna go with this shade right here and apply this right in the inner corner. I'm not applying it like really so that pops. It's just to kind of blend in the inner corner just a little bit. And anyways, you can see that it shimmers, so it's good. Then I'm moving on with my Urban Decay eyeliner. I forgot the name of it, but it's like an orangey brown color. I will link it down below, or just list the name. I don't know if I can find it. But yeah. And then I'm just going back and blending everything. I'll make sure that I don't have nothing like that is not supposed to be there. And then I'm just applying some mascara. This is my Milk Makeup mascara, my favorite. And I'm just applying it to the bottom and top lashes. And I like doing this just to make my lashes bond with the fakes. So yeah. And then for lips, I am going with m.a.c Boy Bait. I wanted to go with the gloss because it's just like how this feels on my lips, and it looks really nice. You can definitely pair it with another lip color if you like, but I just wanted to remove the foundation and just apply it like this, and I really like how it looked. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I've learned my lesson. She gave everything, she was such a blessing. But from day to day, she would change her ways.